Hi, Adam. I wanted to congratulate you on your Amazon's Choice badge for Furry Mice cat toy on this listing. I know how competitive this category can be, so to see that is a job well done. Now, my job is to look for potential opportunities with sellers who prioritize on Amazon. And if it's okay with you, I'd like to show you a couple of opportunities I found with your listing. It will drive more revenue. My name is Sean, and I'm with My Amazon Guy. So listen, I'm going to pack this full of valuable information. Let's dive right in. Now, coming over here, I noticed that you don't have any sponsored keywords and your organic keywords are really low, only 871 organic keywords. So we do recommend in this category a 1 to 2 ratio. So for every one sponsored, you have two organic. But again, these numbers are low. No sponsored. I was really surprised to see that. Now, I want to show you what I did. I sorted your keywords by the most frequently used. Right now, cat toys comes up, which is really good. You're organically 233, so it's going to be hard for you to get your share of that. Cat toy, same thing there. Cat toys for indoor cats best sellers. Oh, that's a good one. You know what? Look at that. So you're organically ranked 304. 72,500 people are looking for cat toys for indoor cats best sellers. And just to give you an idea of how much revenue is going to be generated from these words on Amazon this month, $2.6 million. But let's not forget, you're organically ranked 304. So it's going to be very hard for you to get any of that share of that money. And the same thing could be said for all of your organic keywords here. So there's definitely room for improvement on your SEO keyword optimization for sure. Now, coming over here, I took the words mice with catnip from your title and found this listing right here. Now, I'm not showing you to compare listings. This is what I want to show you. Their advertising. Now, they've got an interesting ratio. I'm not a fan of it. If they had about 5,000 organic keywords, I'd say it's perfect. But they're advertising, and this is why they're selling more than you. Now, let's do this. Let's go back over. Since you are completely reliant on SEO right now, I want to show you what we would do in phase 3 of our three-phase SEO process. We would look at those organic keywords where you're ranked in spots 20 through 50. And right now you've got 62 of them. So our focus would be to lift you up in the ranks and get you in the top 10 spots. So for Catnip's toy, instead of being organically ranked 44, we'd have you in the top 10 spots. So this would definitely drive more traffic, certainly more than what you're receiving now. So just another piece of how your SEO can be improved. Now, let's look at your listing. Let's go through. This is the fun stuff, right? So looking through this quickly, I will tell you need at least one more image and video too as well. I like this infographic a lot. I think, and I love this image. I could tell they were photoshopped in, but that's fine. Great job with this. Not a fan of this, although I do like that you show the packaging. I just think if you had, maybe a couple more, and people want to see the animals playing. So maybe a couple more images with cats playing with it and video. You need video for sure. Your title looks like it has room for some more characters. You can put up to 200 and you've only got, 134 there. Please load this up. This is where Amazon looks to first. And then they come here to about this item section for your organic keywords. And then they go even further than that. But here in these bullets, you can have 250 characters in each one. This is why your organic keywords are so low. If you update the copy throughout your listing, it will increase your organic keywords. Let's see if you've got any content down here. I had a feeling you didn't. So you're missing enhanced brand content. So let me show you this. Again, no product comparison. I want to show you their enhanced brand content. We put this together a few months ago for a company called Age of Sage. And it's a box set of 4 bars of men's soap. You see they've got a nice long title, 6 pictures, a couple videos. Parentage about this item is filled out. And then as you scroll down, remember the soap is for men made by Age of Sage. You see there's so much more than that, right? They've got gifts for mom and for men. They've got, wine tumblers, lotions, incense, bath bombs, all kinds of stuff. And then as you scroll down into their EBC, you see big images, a lot of copy, big images, a lot of copy. And this has helped them index for thousands of keywords. In addition to that, they've got a product grid down at the bottom, which has helped increase their average order value. So listen, here at My Amazon Guy, we are a 200-person agency and we manage over 185 brands right now, giving our clients peace of mind knowing that Amazon is handled so they can focus on their business. We drive traffic through through search engine optimization and PPC, and then conversion through catalog design and enhanced brand content. But I'd love the opportunity to chat with you. So please click that link in my email that reads book a call, grab yourself a free consultation. And as soon as you do that, I will email out that competitor analysis. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.